In this demonstration, we'll go over SciCapture's capability to scan patient medical information utilizing OMR cover sheets or separator sheets. Our product actually makes it quick and easy to scan documents that would normally be placed into a folder utilizing a function called folder separator sheets. So at the folder level, we can actually have a sheet where you can fill in the patient ID, fill in the date, and then we can have a document type sheet which will actually let you specify what type of document it is. So when I scan this entire document set, the product's actually going to read the checkboxes, know which patient, what the date is, and know what type of document follows. This first set, you can see from here to here, is two separate documents for the same patient. And then we have a separate lab document for a second patient. When I click on my capture button, the application is actually going to prompt me for the types of documents that I'm scanning. So in this case, we're scanning some medical documents. And I've scanned these from a network scanner and a copier that can scan to a folder. And when I click on my Start Capture process, it's actually going to read in all the pages, split the document into separate patient folders and separate patient documents. So in this particular demo, you can see that I've got two documents for the first patient, one for the second. And right now I've got no information filled in. The real magic of the software takes place in the next step, when we go to indexing. SciCapture will actually go through the document stack and automatically fill in these fields based on what it finds in these checkboxes. So if I tab through my fields, you can see that I've got folder information as well as specific document information on this assessment document for this particular patient. When I click Tab, you can see that this patient also has a lab document. And when I go to the next doc, you're going to see this is for a whole new patient and it's a lab document. Now within SciCapture, once you scan documents, we've got a module called Quality Assurance that lets you check your work. We've got a spreadsheet with a row for each document, and you can see for this particular patient ID there's an assessment and a lab document. And then for this patient, we've actually just got a set of lab documents that we scanned. This is the data view. If I wanted to view the actual documents, I can go to Tree View. And in Tree View, the application actually will show you the folders and then the individual documents as well underneath those folders. And if I wanted to, I could click on my Auto View button, and SciCapture will actually walk me through each of the documents. So I can do a quick check to make sure that the quality is good and that I've put the documents in the right order. At any point in time, I can hit the space bar. Okay, I can choose to crop, replace pages, insert pages before or after. I can save a particular page off to a file. I can split the document at a page. And I also have the capability to come in and do some image processing. So let's say I wanted to get rid of the speckles on this document. I could turn on the despeckle engine. You can actually see that the product does remove some of the speckles. And I can choose to do that to this individual page or the entire batch of documents that I've scanned. Once I'm done with quality assurance and my documents look good as well as my data, I can move on to the next step in the workflow, which is the conversion of image to searchable text. So what the product does, it will go through each of the scanned images and convert all the text on the page into a searchable Adobe document. In the end, what this provides me is the capability to do a full text search on any of these documents. Okay. So I just migrated all these documents into an N repository, and I brought over all the information that was entered. I automatically created patient folders as well as subfolders, as well as brought over the searchable text.